Yeah, we gotta do something about that. This will do. 50-gallon replacement tank from Titan. Gonna go in today, along with the Fleece Performance in-tank lift pump. I'm doing a separate video on that to kind of show the difference between a stock pump and that, and then we'll work on getting this tank installed today. So I'll take the tank out. You got two straps, two nuts, one there, and then two fuel lines and the electrical connector up top, plus your vent and your fill tube. So I'm gonna take the nuts off on both sides, and then where they go into the frame over here, you're gonna get them free and out of the clips and drop them out of the way. So tank's out. The only thing that I forgot to mention, there's this vent line here, which you can cut off because the new one has the T that the barb is gonna go onto. Two fuel lines and your electrical connector. The two fuel lines just have, this one has a tab on this side that you push in and pull, and then this one you squeeze these, and then you got a red clip that slides that way with the tab and you pull off. So you just have to switch over your factory sending unit into that tank, but I'm upgrading to the fleece pump, so we're gonna be putting that one in instead, and then you switch over your vent hose here and your supply here. And then the new tank comes with straps and everything else like that. So here's the new fleece pump. Drop-in replacement comes with the pump. A whole harness that you run from the unit up to the battery to get power off the relay, stuff like that. And then the arm, you want to make sure obviously you put the arm on there and before you put it in the tank. I'm going to be putting in a new Titan tank that I'm putting in at the same time. And there's another video that goes over that. So we're going to get that fuel pump dropped in place and get the harness ran up the frame. Well, the tank is in, and you got the straps that it comes with the rubber pieces on the bottom, and then this upper support here, which is really a pain in the butt. You got to get the rubber strap up on the side or on the bottom and up on this edge as well, and it leaves just enough room in here to get the wrench on the head of that bolt. These bolts line up with holes in the frame. There's two different holes in this bracket. Mine used the top set, which leaves this bracket down a little bit further. It comes with like a galvanized coating. I did put a quick coat of paint on it quick just to match black on black, and I'll do a little touch up with it later. All the electrical harnesses ran up to the front, so I have to connect it to the battery, but it's ran just zip tied across all the brake lines and fuel lines and stuff like that. Fuel lines are hooked up, and we'll get this thing dropped down and finish up. So there you can see the pump installed with the fuel lines. The electrical jumper harness is on there, which is back over there for the focus. Both fuel lines on, filler neck, stuff like that. So, got a full tank, no leaks, which is good. The only thing we gotta do is, supposedly there's no way to get it so that your miles to empty is accurate again. We'll look into it, play with a couple things with Alpha, OBD, and see what we can get. Worst case, it's just kind of first world problems. We'll have to deal with it. But other than that, that's probably going to wrap up this video. If I figure out anything to do with that, I'll let you know, and that'll be it. Thanks for watching.